WheezyWaiter!
Hello, face lovers. Why does this guy have a beard in his logo but no beard on his face? I hate him so much. I just finished acting in the pilot of the web series that I'm in. That's why I had to shave my beard again. They have to edit it, and then the pilot will be posted soon. Finishing stuff! Gotta hang tough! It's early. In the comments for the movie on Friday, like 20 of you found it odd that I pedaled with my handlebars. Maybe you should all stop for a second and remember that we're not all created equal. Maybe some of us needed to install egg beaters on our bikes so we could maintain balance. I got a bit of a sniffle. I haven't been using my Neti Pot. If you don't know what a Neti Pot is, I made a movie about it. Links in the describey. On YouTube, the describey is over here. On WheezyWaiter.com, the describey is down here. So I think I'll just point right in the middle and confuse everybody. Last night I just did my first podcast with the venerable Drake Sizzle and the luscious Toddly00. It's called The Zen Men and it's highly inappropriate. Links in the describey. It's time for the sniffle song. I wanna die. I wanna die. I wanna die, 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 I wanna die. Hey Julian, why don't you transport yourself into a sea of nothingness, clone yourself, and then give me a bunch of winks. That's what I'm talking about.